Wheel bearings. What are they? Let's talk about what they are and why they're important. Unfortunately, cars don't always age like fine wine. Once they pass about 100,000 miles, it's important to keep an eye on how they're running. Often, when these older vehicles begin making noise, it means that parts need to be replaced. Wheel bearings can be one of the items that become noisy when they become bad. Wheel bearings allow your wheels to spin with minimal friction. Have you seen these fidget spinners before? They have bearings inside that allow them to spin smoothly. Your car has similar mechanisms, but obviously, they're much larger ones. Bearings don't need frequent replacement. They're quite durable and will last many thousands of miles. However, rough roads can cause them to wear out faster, and they can be replaced when they wear out. So how do you know when it's time for a wheel bearing replacement? The most common symptom is a squealing or grinding noise that gets louder as you drive faster. It's sometimes described as a humming noise as well. Any noise or feeling will change with vehicle speed when the wheel bearings are the culprits. Other symptoms can be wheel wobble, uneven tire wear, vehicle pulling to the side when braking, and loose or vibrating steering. None of these symptoms are 100% always the wheel bearings, so that's why it's important to get your vehicle checked when you're experiencing these symptoms. But what's the worst that can happen? Isn't it just a noise? No. The worst that can happen is that your wheel breaks free of the rest of your car. And I'm not exaggerating. There is good news though. Your vehicle will let you know long before catastrophic failure happens with your bearings. Listen to your car, it will tell you. Can anything be done to avoid these parts from going out? Unfortunately not. Well, not really anyways. If you find yourself in a situation where you must drive on rough roads, avoid large potholes. And if you must go over curbs or aggressive speed bumps, take them slow so the stress can be lessened on your driving components. Doing this will extend the life of your wheel bearings as much as possible, but time and mileage will still take their toll. Eventually, you may have to replace the bearings. If your vehicle has any symptoms of wheel bearing failure, bring it in for an inspection. We're adept at finding parts that are on their way out, and we'll help you keep all 4 of your wheels safely planted on the ground. And if you have any questions at all or need us to look at your vehicle, feel free to visit our website or call us at 210-684-2277. And remember, here at Finsanto, we're a wrench above the rest.